Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. This is a twin flame soulmate reading for those that are in separation and no communication. I do have another playlist for those who are in communication, even if it's just a little bit, and they will be coming into union. That's the energy I channel. So if you're not sure where you fit, you might want to watch both and see what resonates for you. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My specials are out on Facebook and Instagram for November. You can find them there. My links are below. And please like, share, and subscribe for me. The subscribe button will be at the end of the video, at the bottom down here somewhere. So please remember to hit that subscribe. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I can improve my channel for you. So I will really appreciate your support. And yes, let's see what's happening with you, Cancer. Cancer, I do want to mention I had very similar energies for the Libra reading. And I almost want to say this feels like an extension to the Libra reading. So for some of you that do have Libra in your chart somewhere, please go and watch the Libra reading, as well as those who have strong Leo in placings in their chart. Go and watch the Leo reading as well. Because the energy that came out in the Libra reading and the Cancer reading are pushed in a certain direction in the Leo reading, if that makes sense at all. So for those who have Cancer, Libra, and Leo energies in their charts and placings in their charts, watch all three of those readings. It will have meaning for you. All right, that's it. Let's see what's going on. First card that came out was the Strength. And this is you trying to regain your strength here, Cancer, in this connection with your twin flame or soulmate. I do feel this is the one from the past that you are in separation with, and obviously no communication. You may have been pretty defeated in this connection, but you are regaining your strength, finding your inner strength here, overcoming whatever you need to overcome here in regards to this connection with this card. You do want, you do desire, passionate in your beginning here. For some, uh, I pick up on two energies here. For some, you are at okay, I'm gonna get back to this. Okay, this is wanting a passion in your beginning. You really want the passion, Cancer. Passion is a big thing for you, I feel, and you want a new beginning, a passionate new beginning with this card. You want your twin flame or your soul flame or your you want that new beginning that is really, really passion driven, I feel, with a lot of intimacy. This is something that is really important for you. In the connection that you've been dealing with, in regards to that connection, you've got the Chariot here. And the Chariot is about forward movement, it's about divine intervention, it's about that uncontrollable pull towards your twin flame or soulmate. And in this specific deck, it speaks about walking your dogs and reaching your destination at the end. But while you're on the journey with them, they are pulling you in different directions. They pretty much go where they want to go. Even though you're still going to end up at the same destination you planned, they're going to kind of pull you in different directions to explore. And I feel this energy coming through for you. You are feeling that uncontrollable pull here towards your twin flame or soulmate, the one you are in separation with this white dog, and then your heart and soul are pulling towards them with this white dog. And then the mind is interfering here and pulling you in a different direction into dark energies here from the past. So I feel that energy coming through for you that is pulling you towards them. Your heart is pulling you towards them, and your mind is like going, you know what, I should just let it go. I should just let it go and walk away. So this is conflict between your heart and mind, and you being pulled between the two here with the Chariot. All right, so that said, I'm coming back to this card with this passion, new beginning, passionate new beginning. You are at a point here where you are in conflict. Your mind and your heart is in conflict. You want a passionate new beginning in love, and I feel like you are kind of settling into the energies of, you know what, whichever way, as long as I have a passionate new beginning, that divine gift of intimacy and passion, I am willing to either go with my mind or my heart. So I am okay if it's with the twin flame or soulmate I've been dealing with, or I am even okay if it's with someone new. This is kind of the energy that I pick up from you, Cancer. You want a new beginning, but you're kind of settling into those energies of letting go of control of where it's supposed to be coming from, whether it's from the past person or a new twin flame or soulmate. You are kind of okay whichever way. I feel you, as I said, are ready to put your energy into something new, bring a balance. You are healing from the past year, and this is why you are regaining your strength. And you do want to put your attention here into something new, but there's something new. You are not trying to control. There's something new at this stage. You're allowing the divine to bring there's something new, and you are kind of okay with whatever, if it's the person from the past that is going to offer me that, I will have that new beginning with them. If it's someone new, I'm going to go with that kind of feeling that I'm picking up. And as I said, you are regaining your strength with the strength in reverse from another deck. This is you feeling a bit weak at this moment, still healing from the past, timing certain aspects of yourself. With this strength card, and I feel like and Leos are very strong kind of an energy, which takes control. So I kind of feel with this strength card in reverse, you are letting go, you're letting go of that control of where this is supposed to be coming from, and just kind of allowing the divine to pull you towards whichever direction is best for you right now. But I feel you are a bit weak at this stage. I'm kind of in that energies of regaining your strength with this card in reverse. I picked that up from the strength already in the first card for you. And you are most definitely, as I said, you want the passion. You want the passion, your Cancer. That is your thing. You want to be swept off your feet. Um, you want to allow your heart and soul to sing with joy and really, really, really experience passion with someone, deep, deep soul intimacy with someone. And you are kind of okay with whether that is with a person you've been dealing from the past. If they come back, you are ready to start something new with them. If they don't, you are ready to start something new with someone else. As I said with that strength card in reverse, you are letting go of control and allowing things to unfold in whichever way is best for you, whether that is going with the older person or someone new here. You are allowing the universe to unfold this for you. This is a really good energy to be in. And this card says, as you surrender the need to control, your relaxed energy rapidly attracts your desires. And this is what you're doing. You are in a more relaxed type of energy as you're regaining your strength, kind of in this energy of being pulled towards your twin flame or soulmate from the past, but your mind also telling you it's time to let it go. And I kind of feel of you are not making the decision. You're not making the decision whether or not to follow your heart or your mind here. You are letting go of that control. You are allowing the universe to decide, and you are kind of just soaking into that relaxed energy of, you know what, whatever is best for me. If I have to let go of my twin flame or soulmate from the past because there's someone new that is actually going to offer me what I deserve, I am happy to go with that. If they do return and ready to give me what I deserve, I am happy with that. So this is very powerful energy. So as I said, it's a similar energy. I actually received the exact same two bonfire cards from the Libra reading in the exact same order, these two. And within the Leo reading, and the Leos are coming out very strong here. So for those who have strong Leo in their charts as well, this energy has already shifted into a new person. Okay, so for those who have Leo in their chart, go and watch that as well, because it's already because of the Leo energy that is so strong here in this reading as well. You've already, the universe has already brought you someone new. So Cancer, Leo, and Libra, those three readings are going very well together for me. Within these readings that I'm doing right now. So for those who have those in their charts, you are probably going to resonate with all three of those readings very strongly. I'm going to leave it there. Remember to check the description box below for information on my private services. My Facebook and Instagram links are below. My specials for November is out. You can get them there. And please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button over here at the bottom and help me get to that 1,000 subscribers, please, so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you in the next video. And you've got a cat running all over your screen. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Cancer.